All right, guys, next up, we got another super break, first-time football random division break. This is break number 4. You've got 1 to 2 buyback cards per box, a ton of big names, a ton of big cards. It's the first edition, so it's either rookie card, first prism, first silver, any of that kind of different things. So a ton of rookies that you can find in here. So Jeff, you've got 4 spots in this. Kyle, you've got 1. Barry's got 1. And then Rick's got the last 2 spots. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize our divisions. All right, we'll mix this up 5 times. All right, let's randomize this 5 times as well. All right, so here we go. Barry, you've got the NFC South. Jeff's got the NFC East, the NFC North, the AFC North, and the NFC West. Kyle with the AFC East. And then Rick, you've got the AFC South and the AFC West. Donnie, what's up, man? Yeah, it looks like Alan grabbed it. So I've still got those baseball bat spots, but everything else is filled up. Well, let's see, Jeff. Donnie's interested in the NFC West. You interested in selling it to him? We'll give a couple minutes here if you guys want to make a deal here before we break it. So Alan's closed out the 23-24 basketball. Seriously? All right. Jeff shot it down. He said, no way. Let's see if it ends up being the NFC West team. Well, it's a nice one. It's not going to be the NFC West. It's going to be A.J. Brown for the Titans, who is now with the Eagles, but it's a Titans card, so that's going to be the AFC South, which will be Rick. So you've got a first impressions from Innovation, a little RPA, number to 50. That's 2019. So nice autograph card there. So Rick, congratulations, man. That one's coming to you. We'll get another of these loaded up on the site, and if we fill it tonight, we'll break it. So I'll go ahead and add another one if you guys want to do another break of that. So we'll get that card in the mail to you tomorrow.